What if your most beautiful chapter does not begin in your 20s but decades later? At 54, Kathy represents a different idea of beauty, one that is not measured by age, perfection, or trying to look younger. Her story is about confidence, self expression, and embarrassing the woman you have become. Welcome to Prime Elegance Studio, where we celebrate inspiring women whose journeys remind us that elegance has no expiration date. From the profile shown here, Kathy introduces herself as a 54-year-old single mother, sharing glimpses of her personality, style, and everyday confidence online. And that detail matters. Being a woman in your 50s can come with an entirely different perspective on life. Responsibilities may change, priorities may become clearer, and the desire to live authentically can become stronger than ever. Kathy's online presence offers an interesting lesson. You don't have to disappear as you get older. Instead, you can redefine what being visible means. Her style appears natural and relaxed rather than focused entirely on perfection. That is an important message for women over 40. Beauty does not have to mean hiding every line, changing every feature, or following every trend. Sometimes beauty is simply being comfortable enough to say, "This is me." One of the most valuable lessons from Kathy's presentation is the connection between self-confidence and personal care. Looking after yourself is not necessarily about expensive product or complicated routines. It can begin with simple habits, taking care of your skin, choosing clothes that make you feel comfortable, maintaining healthy daily routines, getting enough rest, staying active, and most importantly, protecting your emotional well-being. For mature women, confidence often grows when appearance and self-respect work together. And there is another lesson worth remembering: age should add experience, not limitations. A woman does not become less interesting because she reaches 40, 50, or 60. She often becomes more aware of what she wants, what she values, and what she no longer needs to prove. Kathy's story can inspire women who may have spent years putting everyone else first. If you are mother, a professional, a caregiver, or simply someone beginning a new chapter, remember this: your identity does not end where your responsibilities change. You are allowed to discover new interests. You are allowed to dress differently. You are allowed to take photographs. You are allowed to feel beautiful, and you are absolutely allowed to start again. Kathy's journey reminds us that natural beauty becomes even more meaningful when it is accompanied by confidence and self-acceptance, because true elegance is not about looking a certain age, it's about living your age with confidence. This is Prime Elegance Studio, celebrating women, inspiring confidence, and proving that every chapter can have its own kind of beauty. Stay confident, stay authentic, and never believe that your best days are behind you. Thank you so much. This video is created for educational, inspirational, and entertainment purposes, and it based on the information presented in the referenced social media profile. It does not claim ownership of Kathy's identity, images, or personal life. Thank you so much.